Here I'm going to discuss what a string args in Java programming language. So whenever you want to give command line argument, then we need to use a string args. And this is basically input from the command line. And if we don't use, so there is no any purpose. Okay. So first here, if I run this code, then you can see I'm trying to calculate the length of, so there is nothing displaying. I will discuss this later. And here I'm using the different ID. So there I'm using a string args. So here saving and now running this code. So running this code, here you can see this output it's a display. And if I remove the parameter, okay, and if I run this code, so now you can see Java project run and it returning the same value. So this is not mandatory. If you want, then you can give or not give. But here I'm using the args, so we need to give. This is mandatory. And if I remove this one, so now you can see there is a problem with main method. So the reason is same because compiler does not understand this args variable. So let's give this one, and thereafter here we can use a string args this or parameter also. So there is no any problem. If I run this code, then you can get here the same output. Now why there is nothing display? I'm trying to display something. So the reason is if I go on this or run, then edit configuration. So edit configuration, and here you can see program arguments, and there is nothing in there, so that or there is nothing zero, that means so that here it's displaying nothing. But if I give the parameter like 7, and if I click OK and rerun, so this time you can get here length 1 because it has one of values. 7 is there and 7 has one length, so this is calculating args length. So this times that is 1, so 0 less than 1, that's true, so that it's displaying the length there. Okay, and like this, if I do so many values, edit configuration, here writing 8 and 9, so it has 3 values, 3 parameter is there. So this times this return length 3, it run 3 times. Okay, first times or length is 3. Okay, and this is returning 3. After that, the next is I want to display or something inside on the 0 index and the 1 index and the 2 index. So for this one, wanna check. So you need to use here system.out2println, and here args 0 index wanna print, and copying this code and pasting in below. So 0 index, then is 1 index and 2 index. And if I run this code, then you can get the data inside 0, 1, 2 index. So here 7, 8, 9, it's displaying. But if I give here or 3 index, or it has not any or values or no any parameter, so that definitely it will return index out of bound exception. So first that display, then here array index out bound exception. Okay, so this is now a string args. So array types, so that here we can store the value 0, 1, 2, 3. So whenever we are using this string args, so here we can store some values on the index there, and if we don't use, so there is no any purpose, we got this, that's also okay. Okay, so if we give here something like index or three elements is there, but I'm going to print on the third index some values, but there is nothing inside there, so that it return array index bottom exception. So that's why we are using string arrays in Java programming. So I hope guys you understand. So now this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.